Melissa here, and welcome back to my channel. So if you're interested in creating this look, please keep on watching.
Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you guys what I'm currently using. You don't have to use these products. Please feel free to use whatever you would like. For those of you that may be wondering, I am going to use some Selsun Blue just because I have some dandruff that I'm trying to deal with. I like to follow it up with the apple cider vinegar rinse. Please dilute your rinse before you pour it on your hair. Let's start washing. I'm going to remove my wig and my wig cap and take down my twist. So I washed my hair off camera and I'm back. I'm going to use the heat protectant, the Pressed Heat Protectant from my line. You can find that at simplymose.com. What I want to say is that the formula is lightweight, non-greasy, and not sticky. So take down your first set of twists, add some heat protectant and detangle it, and then I like to twist it right back. I find when I do it this way, I have an easier blow drying process. I'm going to complete this on my whole head and I'll do it off camera and I'll be right back. So now I'm blow drying my hair. I like to blow dry my hair in a medium setting first, then I turn it up and blow dry it even straighter. So now I'm just evaluating my hair and seeing if I need a trim, and I decided that I am going to trim it. Those of you that may have been subscribed to my channel, you already know that I suffer from anemia. So my hair really suffers. So I decided that I'm going to trim my whole head. And at some point I'm going to make my way to a salon and get a full trim so I could reset my hair. Right now I'm just using a flat iron to curl my hair. And the reason why I'm wearing this glove is because this flat iron has plates, heated plates on the outside as well. And I always burn my fingers. So I'm just going to create spiral curls all over my head, just going section by section. When I do it this way, I notice that I have my hair is fuller and my hair is a lot more bouncy. So here is the final look. I absolutely love it. So now I'm just going to wrap my hair. And don't worry, your curls will still be intact. I'm going to follow it up with some oil. And I'm going to brush it one more time, but this time with a boar's head brush. Now I'm just going to place the scarf on and go to bed. All right, and before I go to bed, I just wanted to make a quick cup of tea. But I also wanted to highlight my friend and fellow content creator, Nappy Foo. You can find this teacup and a lot of other different things on her website, which is thatnaplife.com. And I just wanted to highlight her in this video as well because she just opened up her own Black-owned business. And, you know, it's not easy like trying to get everything off the ground, but she's very creative. I love the designs that she came up with, and she designed them all by herself. So Nappy Foo, just wanted to say I'm proud of you and keep up the great work. So after I finish my tea, I'm going to head to bed and I'll see you guys in the morning. This is the next morning. I'm just going to comb my hair down and I'm going to fix it, you know, in the way that I feel is going to lay right for my face. Now I'm just using some beeswax at the side of my hair to tame any flyaways. And this is the finished look, guys. So what do you guys think? I hope that you guys will try this new formula out. I can assure you that this is not product labeling, that I worked with a chemist to get this formula right for our hair type.
Guys, so I just wanted to come back and show you what my hair looks like after wearing it out all day. The time now is 11:45 and my hair is holding up really well. It is still very soft to the touch, still holding a curl well, and the best part about this is all I have to do is wrap my hair every night, and this is how it's going to come out. Probably around the 4th or 5th day, my curls will start to drop. But yeah, I don't really stress too much over that. Once it gets to a point of where it's not holding a curl anymore, I kind of wear my hair in a ponytail. I try to get at least 2 weeks out of this type of hairstyle, and then I will wash my hair. And then you do your usual, your deep treatments, and if you need any other treatments as you're washing your hair out. So I'm really impressed. Tell me what you guys think, and I will talk to you soon. Alright guys, and thank you so much for watching today's video. All of the products that I used today will be listed down below. If you're interested in the Lush Cream Moisturizer and the Pressed Heat Protectant, you can find that on my website, simplymosaic.com. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give me a like, comment, and share. If you have any naturals that are in your life that you feel are struggling a bit and they just need some guidance, please direct them to my channel. I have a lot of good information that is there. I will do my best to start uploading content as much as possible. It's just I'm working a lot, and sometimes I don't always have the time. But I did want to bring this video to you because I already showed you how the Lush Cream Moisturizer works in your hair, but I had never showed you how the Pressed Heat Protectant works. So I hope you like my results. Please leave your comments down below, and I'll talk to all of you guys soon.